Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from LendingClub retirement savings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your LendingClub retirement savings, start by logging into your LendingClub account. Navigate to the investing section of the website. Look for your retirement account details. Select the account from which you wish to make a withdrawal. Review the current balance and your investment options. Locate the withdraw button and click on it. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you are aware of any minimum withdrawal requirements. Select the method of withdrawal you prefer. Options may include direct deposit to your bank account or receiving a check. If selecting a bank transfer, enter your banking details as required. Double-check all information for accuracy. Read through any applicable fees or penalties associated with the withdrawal. Confirm that you understand the tax implications of withdrawing from a retirement account. Once everything is confirmed, finalize your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of the transaction. Allow several business days for the funds to process and reach your selected withdrawal method. Stay informed by checking your account for updated balances and transaction history. Contact LendingClub customer support if you encounter any issues or have questions during the process. This step-by-step guide should help you navigate your withdrawal smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.